Hello Buns, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I am going to be doing a full day in the life. I know recently I did like a day in the life, but it literally just consisted of the work that I was doing online. I'm doing a full day in the life, you guys. Like, this is normal. It's 11:09 right now. I decided to get up in the morning and clean my room, and then I went back into bed for about 2 hours, and now we're finna get on to my lesson. I'm gonna show y'all what I have going on for today. So for today we are on lesson 5, plasma membranes overview, and I'm sure nobody's gonna sit here and read it. I'm sure you got a class on your own, but here is the to-do list that we have today. We need to review lesson 5 videos and fill out the lesson 5 study guide. We need to read chapter 3, 3.4 to 3.6 in my textbook. We need to complete the quiz. We need to demonstrate the lab diffusion, and then the lab 5 submission. So before I actually do get started, like from my work, I'm gonna give me something to snack on and my tea. So I am done with the first part, which is the lesson. I'm done with the lesson part. I finished my quiz. Yay! So what I'm gonna do, I guess, I don't really want to do the lab until 2. It's 1 o'clock right now. So what I'm gonna do is probably overview everything that we're doing. So the lesson 5 lab is going to be diffusion. So if you don't already know, let's go to our notes so we can tell you what diffusion is, because you know we take notes over here. Where's diffusion? Okay, diffusion, a passive process of okay, we're not doing this, I'm just playing. But yeah, it's gonna be over diffusion. Honestly, I probably finna just get back into bed. My mom, I would go to the store, but my mom just went to the store. We could talk about like the differences, or some of the differences that I've noticed myself personally between online and in-person school. Honestly, everything has literally been online. So I feel like COVID, or I know, let me say this, I know that COVID has been literally prepping us to be online. And I get all the conspiracy theories and all that kind of stuff. We won't go into that. So far, I like online school better just because they give you the material that you need and you turn it in. Everything is pretty much based on you. Like, it's a responsibility. And honestly, in person is a lot of waste of time. Let me just compare my experience from my 2 semesters of freshman year, and I've been online in high school, but this one I'm just like, there is no meeting time. I love not having a meeting time. Like, I can pick when I want to do my assignment. I can take my time and actually learn, because if it's a subject that I don't like, or if it's a subject that is like hard for me to comprehend, such as biology, I need more time to understand that subject. Don't get me wrong, some people like the classroom, which I can understand where that comes from, because you want that personal communication with your professor. Honestly, after like my 2 semesters, we communicated through email. I tried to talk to my professors in class. All I got was send me an email about it. Like, if I'm gonna send you an email about it anyways, so far I am liking this online, like fully online versus basically hybrid, because that's basically all in person is. Period, point blank. You're not using a piece of paper. I don't even take my notes on paper anymore. That also was another thing. In person, I could not keep up. Like, I literally could not keep up. And then it's not like you can really go ask your next classmate, because your next class, the classmate sitting next to you is about confused as you are too. In person was cool because we had the group meets and everybody was really helpful. I guess for the next hour I'll go ahead and edit, because I don't really want to get back into bed. What a full day will consist of, it will consist of me getting up at 6:30, and then from 6:30 to 8 I kind of do what I need to do. But today was a little different. So I got up at 6:30, but I kind of like chilled in the bed till about 6:45, and then what I did is I started to clean up, because it was getting a little junky in here. I need to clean up. And then from about 7 to 7:30, I was just cleaning up. It wasn't that messy, but it was enough for me to be like, okay, spend 30 minutes cleaning up. I had clothes on the bed, food on the bed, stuff on the bed. It was mostly clothes. And then from about 7:30 to 8ish, 7:30, 7:50ish, I went to go wash my face. And then I came back and I got back in the bed. I did my edges, of course, but I was gonna do my makeup, but I'm like, I don't really want to do my makeup in this video. I wanted to do my makeup. My issue was, who's gonna take it off? I didn't want to take it off. But yeah, that's basically what the morning consisted of. I went back to sleep, and then I got back up at 11, and we did our first half of the day, which is the lesson. And then I'm about to take a break until 2. It's 1:19, so I got about 40 minutes. I got a 40-minute break. I'm gonna take a break, and then we're going to get started on the lab at 2. Oh yeah, y'all like my cup? It says Love Bug. I just thought that was so, actually it was a coincidence, because when I called y'all Love Bug, I don't even know if I got it from this cup. I don't know where it came from. I'm pretty sure it came from the cup though. And I was like, oh, I like Love Bug. Like, that sounds, Love Bug, that sounds so cute. But yeah, y'all want to know what's in my cup, right? It's, no, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. It's just raspberry tea. Wait a minute, y'all know what's in my cup. If you watched the beginning, it's raspberry tea and lemonade. And then I got my water. Okay, y'all, let me stop talking. Let me go rest in this bed for a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm back. So let's go check on my plant. So I actually have kind of 2 plants in the making. These are cherry tomatoes, but with the cherry tomatoes, like, I just put these out here, so they are like nowhere near finna sprout. I like just put these out here. I have those in the making, and then I also have some cherry seeds that's getting ready to sprout. So we're gonna see if I have a green thumb or not. We're gonna see how the plants go, and I'll keep y'all updated. I forgot I said I was gonna edit, so let's edit for like the next 26 minutes. Almost fell. Mothers. Oh, you bro. Oh my gosh. I have to tell y'all. It's 12:01 by the way, so I'm gonna get ready on my lab. But I have to tell y'all, this was my favorite candy, like growing up as a kid. I don't know what it was about this candy, but it was my favorite. I think it was the white chocolate, because I love white chocolate. But it still is my favorite. I'm going back. This and Twix are like my favorite. If I want like a cookie kind of, y'all know I gotta have my Simpsons playing. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go do the lab. So I got my closed-toed shoes on. Let's put my hair up. I got my ID. I've been using my 12th grade ID because I don't have an ID from this school. It's the community college, so I never been up there. I'm just taking classes. So for experiment 1, these are the materials that we're gonna need, and I'm gonna get me some clear tape, and I'm use my phone as the stopwatch timer. And then these are the steps 1 through 5, and then after that we have experiment 2, and of course it's gonna basically be some of the same materials in red that I need to get. Let's go have fun with the procedures. So if y'all remember from the lab on Wednesday, here is my animal and my plant cells after the gelatin has solidified, but not really a lot. But yeah. So as my solution sits, it has 58 more minutes to go. As it sits for the hour, I'm gonna go ahead and get in some Bible study. Yes, yeah. I didn't take a nap, but I was so close to taking a nap. Now let's go to this lab. Lab is complete, and I am gonna go ahead and work on my lab submission assignment. And then after that, I'm probably just gonna go take a nap or rest in the bed until it's time to eat. Okay, so I'm done with that, and now I'm hungry. Yeah, that lab was I'm finna watch The Simpsons and snack on these chips while I wait for dinner. But y'all, that's pretty much the day. As soon as I finish the assignment, I really just kind of chill for the rest of the day. But for some reason, the TV doesn't want to work. Y'all can see the tiredness on my face. Like, I'm tired. Chips and TikTok for like the next 30 minutes. Oh, I might play Subway Surfers. But y'all, somebody was talking about the Instagramification of TikTok, and I'm like, that is so true. So like, say a video pop up and it's on the Barbie filter and I like it, why when I close my app and get back in it, the next 10 videos is about people in their Barbie filters? Like, for example, just the other day, it was the invisible twist where people were not getting what they asked for. It was just terrible. I just watched it. I didn't even like it. I watched it the whole way through. I closed my app, I get back on the app, the next 10 videos was about the terrible invisible twist. And then this one girl, I guess she thought she was onto something because she used the sound, but hers actually looked good. So she was like, I'm just showing y'all how mine look good. And I was just like, bro, what? Now I don't even want to scroll on TikTok for hours. Now I gotta find something else to do with my time. Like, come on now. While I wait, I'm finna go ahead and take a shower. So we have like a super busy weekend. I'm gonna be working a tournament this weekend, so I'm gonna be tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my shower right now, and I'll just get into bed and yeah. Y'all know what? I'm finna go make me a sausage on a stick. I'll be right back. I got me water in the Nutty Buddy. Maybe that'll hold me off till dinner. I was gonna eat some of my chocolate, but I don't want to eat no more. You know what? Just gonna relax. Watch Simpsons. Yep. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. I'll be back when I have a plate of food in my hands. Okay. Told y'all I wasn't coming back till I had a plate full of food. And look at me. Look at God. I ain't gonna lie, I shouldn't be eating in my bed. But because I don't really want to sit at that desk because it'll remind me of school. And ain't really nowhere else to sit, I'm gonna sit in my bed. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my food. My bonnet is on. I'm in the bed. I'm finna go to bed. Well, I'm not really finna go to bed. It's 8:34. I don't really have to be asleep for the next 2 hours, but basically I'm just gonna wind down so that I could be asleep by 10:30. That's pretty much the night. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I actually hate saying that, so I'm probably gonna stop saying that. But yeah, y'all, so I hope to catch y'all in the next video.